Hi everybody, good afternoon. Just a very quick message of huge thanks to everybody that's subscribed and helped me get my channel to over 3,500 subscribers. I'm over the moon. I can't believe it happened today. My goal this year is to get to 5,000 by Christmas, so hopefully we can get that high. I've got a video that I'm going to upload later on. It's a complete mistake, but it just goes to prove that we do make mistakes, and YouTube is not full of success stories, so I'm definitely going to show my mistakes on this channel, but it'll either be uploaded today or over the weekend sometime. But listen guys and girls, thank you so much for helping support my channel over the last few years. I've only really started to put more and more information more videos on YouTube. I'm not the best woodworker in the world, but a new cupboard up the end there with a new door, along with these ones here that you've already seen. But listen guys, thank you so much for the support, and yes, I look forward to adding some more material very, very soon. Cheers now.